what is a clear mind? What it takes for you to have a clear mind. It is time for you to recognize that with a clear mind, you can truly change anything within yourself. This guy right here is the guy that you need to focus. You need to return to yourself and work on this. Never mind what the world is doing. Never mind what people are doing. What they are doing, that is your own karma. Now it's time for you to change your own karma, to realize that your own anger, your own expectation, and your own attachment will really trouble you and make you suffer more and more. The moment you recognize this, then guess what? You are free. It is a free will for you to train yourself, to cultivate yourself, and to discipline yourself so that you can let go some of your craving, some of your desire. Desire is good, but the desire to harm your body and to harm others, then you have to recheck yourself. Then it is no good. So you must do the right thing, and you have to trust yourself to do the right thing. See what is the intention behind this guy right here. What do you want to do? How do you want to change your life for the better? Day in and day out, we wake up every morning and we feel the same way, and we don't know how to change. A single thought can change your feeling. A single thought, a single positive thought can change your emotion. And guess what? That will be a great vibe for you to go to the day, great energies. If no one inspires you, you inspire yourself. Yes, that's why you are the quality of yourself. What you think, say, and do will affect yourself and everyone else. I hope you have the strength in you, the bravery in you to be the hero for yourself. No one can escape from the life and death. You have to face the reality. When you have this body, it will be old age, sickness, weak, and death. See the impermanence of all things so that you can be awakened from all things. The open mind, with a clear mind, you will see and understand yourself better and better every day. I hope you put meditation in your everyday routine and keep yourself fresh, just like the lotus right behind me. It is a beautiful lotus pond. It takes a lot of maintenance. It takes a lot of really nurturing and caring for the lotus pond to really arise and blooms. Same thing with yourself. You have to nurture yourself and taking care of yourself. Keep your mind in healthy conditions. Feed it with love and kindness, generosity and peace, because all this is the quality of your own happiness. I hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.